At the beginning, he gives her everything. Messages, flowers, attention. He tries 2, 3 times just to get a reply. And a beautiful dynamic starts, both giving to each other, both feeling the balance. Then one day, he starts giving less, and she notices, she feels the difference. The anxiety hits. What happened? Did I do something wrong? She's scared this dynamic is ending, so she decides to compensate. She gives more. And here, something dangerous happens. He notices and thinks, strange, the less I give, the more she gives. So he tests it. He gives even less. And it hurts her. But she's still stuck on the same idea. If I give more, he'll come back to how he was. And suddenly, she's giving him her entire life, and he's giving her nothing.
Let's break this down into 2 steps. Step 1, stop making this mistake. It's very natural at the beginning for the other person to give everything. Messages, attention, presents, trying over and over until you respond, because they want to win you over, and that effort is the price of winning you. But the moment they feel they've already won you, the effort naturally starts to drop. And this is where the problem begins. Someone with anxious attachment, when they notice this pullback, doesn't pull back themselves. They move closer. They text more, care more, try more. And this creates 2 serious problems. Problem 1, they discover something. The less effort they put in, the more effort you put in. The more they pull back, the more you move toward them. And without realizing it, you're rewarding them for their lack of effort. Problem 2, putting in too much effort is like salt in a dish. Too little effort and the relationship feels bland and boring. But too much? If you're too intense, the whole thing falls apart. Many people struggle with this balance. They only know 2 extremes, completely cold or overly intense. And they don't realize there's a perfect middle point, the right amount that makes the other person want you and never get tired of you. In a moment, we'll talk about this in detail, how to make yourself endless in their eyes, how to make them always want a little more of you, then more, until they always want to get closer and know you deeper.
Okay, so how do you get their interest back? What do you do when their effort has dropped below what you can tolerate? First, you'll try what doesn't work. You'll talk to them calmly, express your feelings in a loving way. You'll say something like, I miss the effort you used to put in. The messages, the attention, going out together, these things mean a lot to me. I want to be with you, but I need you to show up more. And this is the first thing you'll do, but it won't work. After you talk, they'll probably put in more effort for a week or 2, then go right back to the same behavior. And that's when you do what actually works. When their effort drops below what you can tolerate, you leave. Don't reward them with more attention. Don't try harder. Don't wait. You leave. Because what you're saying with your actions, not your words, is, I was interested in you because of how you treated me. And as long as you're not treating me well, I'm no longer interested. And at that point, they'll most likely react. They'll say, wait, why are you leaving? And you respond, you already know why, because you already told them. And if they say, I'll change, don't believe the words, wait for the actions. Only when you actually see the change do you decide whether to give them another chance. And don't give more than 2 chances, because every extra chance you give, you lose a piece of your self-respect.
And if you leave and they don't come after you, that can happen, but you don't have a better alternative. Because the alternative is staying, giving more to someone who takes and never gives. And every day you stay doing that, you lose a piece of yourself. The best thing you can always do is focus on yourself, your habits, your growth, the person you want to become. Because the person who works on themselves doesn't just become better in their relationships, they become someone impossible to ignore.
If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Every week, a new video about relationships and psychology.